Welcome back to our FreeQMS tutorial series. In today's video, we will guide you through accessing two important documents related to the nonconformance module, the user executable validation and the executed validation by the FreeQMS staff. These documents are essential for understanding and validating the functionality of the module. Let's get started. To access these documents, you'll need to log into FreeQMS as an administrator user. Typically, the administrator user is the first person who signed up for the platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Validations section by clicking on the Validations icon. In the Validations section, we'll find two different versions of the validation documents. First, we'll download the user executable validation protocols. These protocols contain all the necessary steps for validating the nonconformance module and can be customized to your company and environment. Once you've downloaded the user executable validation protocols, you'll find that they are stored in Google Drive as read-only documents. To make edits or customize them, you'll need to download a copy of the document. Now, let's return to the FreeQMS home screen by clicking the Home button. From here, we'll once again navigate to the Validations section by clicking on the Validations icon. In the Validations section, we'll now download the executed validation protocols and reports. These documents contain objective evidence contained in a GMP format to prove that the nonconformance module functions as intended. They are executed by the FreeQMS staff. Similar to the user executable validation, these documents are also stored in Google Drive as read-only files. You'll need to download a copy to review the executed validation. Now that you have both versions of the validation documents downloaded, let's open the executed validation protocols and briefly walk through its contents together. In the executed validation protocols, you'll find several sections that provide a comprehensive understanding of the validation process. These sections include the objective section, which outlines the goal of validating a FreeQMS module, the scope, which specifically refers to the FreeQMS nonconformance module, the system description, which provides a detailed description of FreeQMS as a web-based system for quality management, the validating user and environment section, which explains the environmental controls in place during the test, the revalidation requirements, which specify when a module should be revalidated, including an assessment of the company's internal risk management, the test procedure, which outlines the layout and numbering of each test, the acceptance criteria, which states the tests are considered complete when objective evidence is attached, and the requirements and tests, which includes the actual protocol steps for confirming each module feature functions as intended. This section covers various aspects such as prerequisites, printed versus screen data, unique names and numbers, controlled changes, minimum information to create a record, nonconformance activities, and approvals. By thoroughly reviewing these sections, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of the validation process and the expected outcomes. And that's it for today's tutorial. We hope this guide helps you access and understand the user executable validation and executed validation documents for the FreeQMS nonconformance module. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more FreeQMS tutorials. Until next time, happy validating!